Imagine a world where your daily financial tracking has disappeared, replaced by invisible systems that monitor every dollar you earn and spend. For years, free tools like Mint forced users to manually review transactions that had already cleared. Looking at past spending often created a cycle of financial guilt, as the software acted as a record of mistakes rather than a guide for upcoming expenses. Since 2023, average household software subscriptions declined. By 2026, fatigue drove households to shrink paid apps down to the 2.8 mark. Yet adoption for premium personal finance apps costing $100 a year moved sharply upward, prioritizing specialized software. This shift is happening even as Apple and Google build basic spending insights into their digital wallets for free. To compete with these tech giants, premium apps have been forced to offer something more sophisticated than simple transaction labels. These platforms survived by pivoting to proactive algorithmic forecasting. Instead of reflecting on the past, they generate a forward-looking map of a user's cash flow, removing the stress of manual math. This evolution is part of a broader trend toward hyper-automation, where AI systems take over multi-step financial workflows and execute them on autopilot. Large corporate finance teams use this logic for billion-dollar budgets. They funnel disorganized raw data into a centralized node, processing it into a single predictive trendline. Prescriptive analytics then simulates market scenarios, automatically highlighting the optimal path to stabilize cash flow. This institutional-grade architecture has been the primary engine for Wall Street and major banks for years. By 2026, the cost and complexity of running these predictive models has dropped, allowing this exact institutional logic to run inside personal finance apps. Personal finance has shifted from a task of historical recording to one of active navigation. The algorithm acts like a GPS for your money, spotting a potential shortfall weeks in advance and automatically suggesting a new route for your savings. Beyond the math, these apps are designed to alter the way users interact with their own money. Zero-based budgeting apps create behavioral moats by requiring users to assign a specific purpose to every dollar. This constant interaction builds a long-term habit of financial discipline that becomes difficult for a user to abandon. Modern apps reinforce this habit through AI assistants. Using logic from certified financial planners, these assistants convert raw numbers into specific advice on debt payoff and investment strategies. Voice AI has given these algorithms a distinct personality. By transforming a silent ledger into an active vocal partner, the software pushes the user to stay disciplined through direct conversation. In 2026, users are paying $100 a year to let an algorithm manage the cognitive load of financial planning. They are effectively hiring software to take over the daily stress of money management. This automation applies at every scale of the economy. High-level systems can now extract structured metrics from thousands of pages of corporate filings in seconds, a task that once required rooms full of analysts. These systems instantly parse the dense datasets regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission, identifying anomalies that the human eye might miss. At the household level, the same tech allows a user to photograph a receipt and watch as the AI automatically categorizes individual items and adjusts the family's monthly cash flow projection. Despite this efficiency, algorithmic systems remain blind to human context. An AI can optimize a tax return or a portfolio, but it cannot understand the qualitative factors behind a financial goal. A machine does not understand the emotional peace of mind required for retirement, nor the sentimental reasons a person might have for preserving a family legacy. As these tools become fully autonomous, the logistical effort required to maintain a precise financial plan disappears. The manual work of money management is being removed from the human experience. Artificial intelligence has become a comprehensive navigation layer for your money. It handles the minute-by-minute calculations needed to stay on track, but the human user still determines the destination. With the technical barriers to management disappearing, are you ready to let an algorithm navigate your wallet? Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more research into the future of money.